Hey everyone, today I'm here to do a room tour for Mikayla, and I thought I would start from the stairwell just because I'll show you how we get to her room because I don't know if I ever showed you that. So you go up the stairs and through the barn door and you go down the hallway. And it's the last room on the left is Mikayla's room. Like I said before in Damien's room, I like all my color schemes to match. Like I match the bedspread with the walls and all that. But because this room was painted way back when, Mikayla has nothing in the color scheme anymore. So it's kind of just the way it is. And we're not going to be painting it because there's really no sense. So I'll just kind of show you around in her room and what we've done. So here we go. So you walk in and the first thing is we have a hook rack over the door because Mikayla did have a hook in her old room and we needed somewhere to put her towels and some jackets and stuff. So then you continue on into the room. And we put the, we had this in her closet originally, but it's all filled with her blankets. And then her dresser with all her stuff that we need on a daily basis. We have a whole bunch of just little things in here that we need all the time. Her CD player, because she listens to her birdies at night. These are for her new wheelchair, which I will be doing a video on soon. Just her bows and her lamp and extra feed pump and some wipes. And then you pan over and this is her bed. And if you're a longtime subscriber of mine, you'll know that we put this up in the summertime so that Mikayla doesn't get eaten by bugs because she can't defend herself. So we just put that up probably a week ago because she was getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. So of course her bed, and underneath we just stored a tote, a stool, and some other things. We have her garbage can, and in there is just mom's stuff still. And then going around we keep her chair here, which like I said, I will do a video on soon. Her bath seat, her oxygen concentrator, and then her change table. So as you know, we had this in the bathroom at our place, but there is no room in mom and dad's bathroom for it. So we put it in here and we transfer her from the bathroom into here for her changing when we bath her. And it kind of worked out nice because all our towels are downstairs and then I store some of Mikayla's stuff that she had in her closet in there because she doesn't have a full closet here. So then we just keep her syringe bucket, and we just bought this fan because it gets really hot in this room in the summer, hence the flannel sheets up on the window. We have curtains in behind there, but they're very sheer, and this room gets the most light in the afternoon, so it's a very hot sun coming in here, so that tries to keep it cool. However, because there is no fan as well, we just got that so that when it is hot in here we can put that on, because usually by nighttime it gets really hot in here. So then this is the closet, and I put this closet organizer in when she lived here 8 years ago, and mom was using it as a dressing room, and now we are just using half the closet. So these clothes are mom's still, and then she has a couple things up there that's hers, but this side of the closet is Mikayla's. So we keep all her tops here and dresses and sweaters. Those are just some stuffed animals that mom had here when she was here before. And then this, I don't know if I ever did a video. I think I did a video on this. But this is Mikayla's helmet from when she was little, and we just keep it there just because it was like $1,000 or something for this, and we just keep it. So I used modeling paint and some stickers to decorate it. And then in here, as you can see, I hung this puzzle way back when as well, and it'll just stay there. And then Mikayla has her supplies and pants and then socks and just some other things, and then her Tinkerbell chair with her diapers on it. I don't know if I have talked about this yet, but these are the diapers that we've gone with. The Equate Walmart brand unisex fitted briefs, and they come with 20 pairs for medium. However, sometimes, or most of the time, they don't have medium, so we have to get the large ones, and they only come with 16. However, we have really liked these ones. We've tried, what other ones do we try? Oh, Depends and Tenna. We like Tenna too, but the cost difference is a lot. These ones go for $11.77 for 20 pairs, and Tenna, I believe you only get 14, and it's $14.77. So we've gone with these ones. They are we do get coverage for diapers. However, because we went through a transition phase of trying to find something for Mikayla, switching her from baby diapers to these diapers, we were supposed to do our annual review for Easter Seals, which is the company that funds us. So we let that lapse, so I didn't get coverage for like a year while I was trying to figure that out. But I am sending in all my receipts, and we will get coverage again soon. So I'll just show you quickly what they look like. So they come pretty compact, which I like. But what we like about these is, one, a lot of them have like the scrunchy like top like this. This is just a different diaper. I don't even know what it is. But they come with a scrunchy top, and I don't like that. And this one is basically like a baby diaper, just bigger. So it has like 4 tabs instead of 2, and the pad on it is really big. So we just really like these ones, and that's what we've decided to go with. So that is her diaper chair, and like I said, just some supplies and socks and pants and more supplies, and then Mom's side. So then we just keep her laundry basket here. And I think that's pretty much it. This is a closet back in here. It kind of just holds random things, but Mom had this cabinet in the bathroom, but she had to move it out of there when we moved in to put her kitty litter there, because her kitty litter was downstairs and Mrs. Kitty litter couldn't be downstairs anymore, so she had to kind of do some moving around. But that cabinet is now in there, so that just holds Mom's like towels and stuff for the bathroom. So that is Mikayla's room tour. So that is all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them either in the comments or in a different video. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, make sure you hit that notification bell if you haven't, and then that way you'll be getting my videos as soon as they come up, and I will talk to you next time. Bye guys.